Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install brushes and color palettes in Procreate and how to open files in Procreate. So let's say that you bought some assets. I'm using the assets in my daffodils tutorial, and when you see that a file says brush set, that is a brush file obviously, and swatches is color palettes, and then Procreate files are just Procreate files obviously. I am going to download all of these into my iPad. Let's say I'm going to download just the brush set. So it asks me if I want to download it. I'm going to say download. If I go here to my downloads, it's here. And if I tap on it, it will import it directly to Procreate. So now if I go into one of my files, it'll be the first one imported here. See, Sandra's watercolors. If it's not there for some reason, you're going to have to find where it downloaded onto your iPad. So if you go to your files folder, it will usually be here in your recents, or you can find your downloads folder and find it there. And once you're there, you can double tap and it will import into Procreate. See, it's there again. Or you can also drag your screen up slowly, and because you just opened that files folder, it will be here. So you just leave it pressed and you drag it out here to create a split screen. And now you can just drag your brush set and it will import it. And you do exactly the same process when you're importing color palettes. The only difference is that when you import color palettes, they're going to be at the bottom of your stack, not at the top like brushes. See, here's mine. And it's also the same thing when you have a Procreate file. Say we download this one, and now we can find it here. And if we tap on it, it will import directly into Procreate. Or if you have it saved in your Dropbox or any other file, you can also find it here in your files. And when you find it, you can just tap on it and it will import. And that one you will find here in your gallery. See? These are the two I just imported. And if for some reason you have downloaded all at once and you've downloaded a zip file, you will see it here in the downloads also, and you can just tap on it. Or you can go to your files, and if you just tap on it, it will unzip it, and then you will have access to all of the elements here. And now it's the same process as I showed you before. I hope that's helpful. Procreate has made it very easy to import assets. So I hope you have fun with your assets and see you soon. Bye.